More English.
Hello everyone, my name is Steven and I teach at Nasushiobara Junior High School. And today I'm going to tell you how to cook hot dogs. Now, you need to gather your ingredients. The ingredients for hot dogs are the hot dog bun, the hot dog itself, and for a normal hot dog you need ketchup and mustard. And then you can cook your hot dogs on a grill or a toaster oven. I will cook it in a toaster oven. So please join me while I cook. I will use a toaster oven to cook my hot dogs. It's up to you for how long you cook your hot dog, but just make sure it is cooked. After your hot dog is cooked, place them in your hot dog bun and then add your ketchup, however the way you like it. I like to add a lot on mine. And add your mustard. I also like to put a lot on mine. Now, you might ask, Steven, why did you cook 2 hot dogs? Are you going to eat 2 whole hot dogs? Well, yes, because I'm very hungry and I really love hot dogs. But now I'm going to tell you how to cook my favorite hot dog, the Chipotle dog. You only need 2 extra ingredients. You need Chipotle sauce and, well, bacon or onions or both. So it could be 3 extra ingredients. Now, I'm going to show you how to cook the bacon and onions. Now that we're finished cooking, it's time to see our finished hot dogs. Here they are. Ta-da! Finished. Don't they look great? Now, thank you for cooking hot dogs with me, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye.